Hi guys, so I'm just going to go over a step-by-step of how you do this seamless transition that we've been looking at. So first you want to go into File, Import, and get in the clips, the Spotlight clips that you're going to be using, or any other clip you're going to be using. Import those. And you're going to want to drag them one by one into your sequence, which should just create itself. Once you've done that, you're going to want to unlink the audio from the video because we're not going to be focusing on the audio too much in this tutorial. So you just want the clips. And then you're going to want to line them up. You're going to want to line up the first clip so that the character's just walked into frame. If you can see here, his whole body's in and you can see a little bit of the background on the right. And when you've got the frame for the first clip, right, so the character's just in frame and you can see some space either side of it, you want to bring your second clip underneath it to make it start just on that frame there. So now we're going to get into how you do the masking for this. So if you click on your first clip, make sure it's selected, and then click on the Effects tab at the top. And then you're going to want to click on Opacity on the Effects tab. And then you're going to want to select the Free Draw Bezier tool. It looks like a fountain pen. So when you've got the Free Draw Bezier tool selected, or the fountain pen, then you're going to want to start masking around your clip and making mask points, as you can see in the video. You're going to want to go all the way around the clip into the dead space on the program monitor and come all the way back around so you've got a loop. When you complete your loop, you'll see that the second clip will pop up onto the screen. And to overcome that, you just need to go over to the effects panel and click on Inverted, just like in the video here. Now when you've completed this, you're going to want to go over to the effects panel again, and under Opacity and Mask 1, you're going to want to click on the stopwatch timer icon, all four of them, so that they flash up as blue. And that'll mean that you've created a layer and that you can start editing further. Something else that you need to do just now is to turn your mask feather to somewhere between 30 and 40 so that you have a smoother feathering going into the transition. Now that you've created your layer and your feathering's all good, what we're going to do is go over to the next frame and move the mask across so that it continues as the clip goes on, as you can see in the video. And you need to do that for every frame, so keep clicking the next frame icon and going to the next frame and pushing it along, as you can see in the video. I've just sped it up a bit to save time, but that's basically just what you do. And when you come to the end of that process, and if you go back to earlier on in the clip, you'll notice that there's a problem. You've got a little bit of shadowing to the right of the frame. And that's because the mask layer has come over a frame. And all you need to do is just move that out of the way, as you can see in the video there, and it's just a simple process. And once we've got that out of the way, we can finally look at our transition. And that's it. So it's as simple as that. There's not many steps to it, and it can be a cool little effect. So I hope you guys enjoy, and good luck with the editing in the future.